In this video, let's learn how to do integrations with other apps in Pipedrive. This video is brought to you by Software Horsepower. Pipedrive is a sales CRM within which we can manage our leads and also integrate with other messaging apps like Slack or project management apps like Asana. Here, one can integrate the two and optimize the sales and project management workflow. So when one goes to the home screen of the Pipedrive, the left side of the bar is where one can see the dashboard with various options. The last three dots in the dashboard is where one can access the workflow automation. Let's go to workflow automation. Here one gets three options such as settings, tools and apps and workflow automation. Let's look at the tools and apps option first. Here the integrations have options like MailChimp, Slack, Microsoft Teams, Asana, invoicing, messaging, DocuSign, and marketplace apps. This will help one to access any other apps available to integrate with Pipedrive. This list of apps is already available with which one can integrate Pipedrive. Here, let's click on Asana and from the two options. First, choose a Pipedrive event. Here one can select which type of event triggers, creating tasks, such as deal won, deal lost or deal moved to a specific stage in the pipeline. One will need to select the pipeline and deal with the moved event, and also stage. The second step, choose where to create the task in Asana. Here, one can specify the workspace and the project for all tasks created from this integration. To automate centers with integration, one needs to go to Workflow Automation and set up the workflow there. Now similarly, when one goes to Slack, the integration can be done with option Slack. Here, one has various options to configure. Deal bot to send a message every time a deal you own, or follow up is updated. This also includes many actions below and one can send a message when a dealer is moved to another stage, or deal is assigned to a different user. A note is added, expected close data is changed, value changed, deal is lost and deal is won. One can choose the option accordingly and save. One can also take it to the next level stage, that is automate with Slack integration. Here one gets even more trigger options to make your Slack notification tailored to your needs. This can be done by clicking to Workflow Automation and get it set up easily. Contact Software Horsepower to book a demo. Visit softwarehorsepower.com.